Hi, Jim.
Wait, you can see me?
Yep.
Can you see me now?
Yep.
Can you see me now?
Yep. And it's so clear I can also see that mustard stain.
Don't miss a thing with Remo Bell Ass, one of the widest fields of view and fastest responding doorbells in the industry.
Can you see me now?
Poor Jim.
Greet your guests, monitor your home, and secure your loved ones with the easy-to-use Remo Bell Ass.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay, just let me be me.
Hey man, what do you want?
That work? Can you see me?
Yeah, it's working. This is super cool.
Are you gonna help me clean up your toys?
Delivery.
Be right there.
Hello?
Am I gonna get it or are you gonna get it? I'll get it. I'll get it. Hey, thank you. Come on.
Hey, can I help you? Hey!
No, sorry, I'm not home. I'm coming.
Hi, honey. I'm home.
Yeah, of course. One moment. Hello.
Hi. You have a package.
Please leave the package at the door. Hey, hello.
I'll be waiting here.
Wait for me. Wait for a moment.
Introducing August Doorbell Cam Pro, a smart doorbell that lets you see and speak with visitors right from your phone. The August Doorbell Cam features a full HD camera and built-in floodlight, so you can see your guests at night.
Hey, it's me.
Sorry, I'm running late. Let me let you in.
The August Doorbell Cam connects to any August smart lock, so you can remotely unlock and lock the door for guests. Now you can control and monitor your front door from anywhere. As soon as motion is detected, the floodlight will activate. always a natural deterrent for unwanted guests. And you'll receive an instant alert on your phone, so you can see or speak to whoever's there. If you missed the live video, don't worry. August video recording and hindsight technology captures every activity from the beginning to the end and stores it for free in the app for up to 24 hours. August Doorbell Cam works in any home with an existing wired doorbell, available on Android and iOS. August, the key to your smart home.